You don't need a product. You don't need a warehouse. You don't even need employees. Yet this one business model made me over $2 million, alhamdulillah, while traveling, working from my laptop, and never shipping a single thing. Let me show you how I did it step by step. A few years ago, I was stuck. I only had corporate skills, sitting in an office, emailing, and Zoom with colleagues and clients. None of the online skills needed, such as marketing, branding, and such. I also didn't want to sell physical products or launch some risky Amazon brand. Too much capital, too much inventory, too little margins, and too many headaches. Then I discovered something that changed everything. A business model that requires no physical product, no shipping, and no complicated logistics. It's called an officeless agency. Some call the simple form of it drop servicing. I call it digital arbitrage done right. Instead of selling products, I sold services. Services that I didn't even fulfill myself. And I built a system around that. So imagine this. There's a business owner who needs TikTok ads to grow fast. They're willing to pay $1,500 a month for that. You, as the agency owner, find a talented TikTok media buyer overseas who charges $300 for it. You sell the service, close the client, and pay the expert. And you pocket the $1,200 difference. No inventory, no shipping, no office, no team, just leverage. And here's the crazy part. You've been lied to. You don't need to be the expert yourself. You need to be the connector. The value isn't in doing the work. The value is in owning the client relationship. That's what smart Muslims are doing right now. Ditching toxic 9 to 5 and building halal income streams and becoming financially independent by working smarter and not harder. And here's why this business model is halal. Of course, you're not reselling products with a markup. You're delivering value, solving problems, and managing quality, like any real agency does. And there are 3 reasons this business model works insanely well this year. 1, remote work is normal. Clients don't care where you are, they just want results. 2, the service demand is sky high. TikTok editing, YouTube automation, UGC, branding, every business needs it. And 3, you can labor arbitrage. Talented service providers in emerging markets are hungry, skilled, and affordable. You position yourself as the bridge. And in my case, I didn't start with 10K. I started with time, strategy, and a few Google Docs. Here are the steps that I took. The first step, I picked a service, which was sales copywriting at the time. The second step is I found reliable experts on Fiverr, Upwork, and referrals, and tested them with a trial task to make sure that they can deliver what I want them to deliver. The third step is I built a landing page and started offering packages where people could actually pay me for me to do the work for them. The fourth step is I booked calls and closed deals. And then the fifth step is I delivered the service through my team and kept refining. Then just rinse and repeat. Now I have systems, VAs, automations, and even project managers, but I built that after I proved that it worked. The first 5K per month came with just Notion, Stripe, a calendar link, and email. And I know that some of you are still thinking, but I don't know anyone who would pay me. Or for example, but I'm not a salesperson. Or also, but isn't this just outsourcing? So let me answer these questions. First, you don't need to know people. You need an offer. Second, you don't need to sell hard. Just solve a problem clearly. And third, yes, it is kind of outsourcing, but with a strategy and with a team that you own. Every major company does this. It's time for you to do it too. I've now taught dozens of Muslims to do the same. Some hit 3K per month, some 10K per month. If you want me to mentor you personally and help you launch your own officeless agency, you can check the link in the description below where you can watch a training, and then you will have a chance to book a call with me or my team and apply to work with me. Now let's build a halal income stream you can run from anywhere. And just as a closing note, you were taught to trade time for money, to clock in, and to be a good employee. But that's not the only way. This business model flipped the game for me, alhamdulillah, and I'm sure that it can for you too. I hope you liked this video, and I'll see you on the next one.